Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. Government starts collecting toll from non-Goan vehicles entering Goa. Concession to neighbouring areas. Toll on vehicles arriving through trains too. Goa government denied permission to Playboy club. Tourism minister says shack policy is meant for Goans. No company will be entertained. No assurance on not allowing such clubs in future. Home Ministry gives clean chit to the main suspect in Vasco minor rape case Monty. Parrikar makes statement after report from Interpol. Assembly passes special status resolution unanimously. All say special status the need of the hour to protect Goa's identity. And Church strongly objects to CM's remark that Gram Sabha has no decision powers. Council for Social Justice and Peace appeals people to stand against the government statement. Now the news in detail. Now pay to enter into Goa. State government has started imposing entry tax on non-Goan vehicles entering Goa. People from neighbouring states of Karnataka and Maharashtra have opposed the decision. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has reminded them of the toll they levy in their state. Government is also thinking about providing some concession to some of the talukas and districts in the neighbourhood of Goa. Transport Department has kept a close vigil over the check post through CCTV cameras.
Goa, the price of diesel is 1 rupee 70 paisa cheaper than Karnataka and 3 rupee cheaper than Maharashtra. And he goes with full tank. So basically even a diesel vehicle, transport vehicle, saves between 500 to 700 rupees when it comes to Goa on diesel itself. Every state is charging toll on the roads everywhere. So when other states are charging, why Goa should not charge? महाराष्ट्रातल्या आणि कर्नाटकातल्या सगळे टोल रद्द करा, आम्ही लायना. If any vehicle is crossing through Goa, it is not charged. So if they pay toll here, they can get the refund on the other check naka if they cross the check naka in 4 hours. 100 रुपया 3-wheeler, 250 रुपया गाडी, 500 रुपया टेम्पो आणि 1000 रुपया ट्रक. गोयच्या गाडयांक चार्ज ना, कमर्शियल वेहिकलांक.
गोंयचे जे चीफ मिनिस्टर आहा ताका आमी अभिनंदन करतात की तेणें कारवार लोकां खातीर ते टोल घेवचे ना म्हणजे निर्णय घेतिल्लो आहा ते आमकां मान्य आसा. आतां फक्त ट्रायल तेमी करते आहात, पण जेन्ना तेमी स्टार्ट करतले आनी जेन्ना आमकां कारवार गाडी घेना म्हूण आमकां कन्फर्म जातले तेन्ना आमी जे आंदोलन कितें आहा तें आमी फाटीं घेतले.
It is requested to reduce the entry tax on vehicles for these essential goods like vegetables, milk products and other which are consumed by our local population daily.
आता considering आमचो चार्ज 10 टनाचो एक ट्रक धरूया, we are charging 1000 rupees. 10 टनाचे 10,000 किलो जाता, म्हणजे 1 टना 1000 किलो. हाज्या प्रमाणे जर आमी हिशोब केलो जाल्यार टोमॅटो 1.5 पैसो वाडटा, मिरची 2.5 पैसो वाडटा, कॅबेज 1 पैसो वाडटा आणि मिल्क 3 पैसे वाडटा. हो फरक जर पळयत जाल्यार आमी ते सारकें जाला. आतां इतलें आसतना जे पळय कारवार, बेळगांव आणि सावंतवाडी ह्या भागांत जी रजिस्ट्रेशन केलां तांकां आमी 15 दिसांत, आतां 15 दीस तांचे पयशे घेवचे ना अशें ठरयलां आनी 15 दिसांत वी वील वर्क आउट सम स्कीम फॉर देम. खुद्द कारवारांतली गजाल सांगता हांव, ज्या तालुक्यांत जे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स चालू आसा, एका वॉटर स्पोर्ट्साची किंमत भितर एंट्री करपाक 200 रुपया ते 1000 रुपया आसा. शिर्डी किंवा बेंगलोर वतना 650 रुपया कमीत कमी लागता. सो हो सगळो विचार केल्या नंतर आज जे आमी कितें केलां हें खरें आसा. जो प्रश्न पॅनीक जावचें न्हय, कोणीच हातूंत पॅनीक जावचें न्हय, कोणीच पॅनीक जावचें न्हय.
Government will not allow Playboy shack in the state. Government stated this in the assembly on Monday. Parulekar said that the shack policy enables only individual Goans to run businesses. It does not allow a company to run a shack. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo, along with the BJP, had strongly opposed the entry of the club. However, Michael Lobo is not satisfied with the government's assurance. Government did not give clear assurance that such type of adult clubs will not be allowed in the future.
6 महिन्या पयलीं आग्नेल फर्नांडीस एक्स MLA कलांगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हांच्यांनी एक एप्लिकेशन आमचें टेम्पररी शेक इरेक्ट करपा खातीर डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मागलें. डिपार्टमेंटाच्या पॉलिसी प्रमाणे एप्लिकेशन आसा, हे एप्लिकेशन प्रोसेस जालें. शेक पॉलिसी प्रमाणे आमी खंयच्याच क्लबाक खंयच्याच पेट नेम थेयले वयता, मागीर तें प्ले बॉय आसूं, कॉक बॉय आसूं, डॉग बॉय आसूं, जावं आनीक कोण तरी आसूं, अशा नांवान आमी परमिशन दिना. तर स्पीकर सर, हें प्ले बॉयच्या नांवान जें हें मागलां, लायसन मागलां, आमी टेम्पररी जी शेक आसा हें आमी दिवंक शकना.
पहिली गजाल म्हणजे आमी खंयच्या नांवान कोणाकूच शेक दिवंक शकना. बेजिकली शेक आसा पळय ते गोंयकार इंडिविज्युअल शेक हे करूंक शकता. त्यामुळे इंटरनॅशनल कंपनीक शेक दिवपाचो प्रश्न येना. पॉलिसी शेक पॉलिसी इज व्हेरी क्लियर.
The application does not fall within the shack policy 2012. The same cannot be considered. आता हे शेकान दिवचे ना म्हणून गव्हर्मेंटान सांगला. बट अगेन इट इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. जे प्ले बॉय सारखे आनी खूब ब्रँड आहा, से अराउंड 10 brands are there. They will want to come in Goa. Will the government allow, or will the future governments allow? So there has to be specific rules and regulations set up by government of Goa. Department of Tourism should put on their website do's and don'ts. Who can enter into Goa? Who can start what type of business?
Home Minister Parrikar and State Police have given a clean chit to the main suspect in Vasco minor rape case, Monty. Parrikar said that Monty, recognized as the nephew of principal of the school, has no links with the rape case. Parrikar is speaking on the basis of inputs from Interpol and Indian Embassy in Dubai. There were rumours that Fisheries Minister Avirtan Furtado is a relative of the principal of the school and that he interfered in the police investigation. Chief Minister said claims against Avirtano are baseless and false.
Apprehensions about serious allegations made by one Mr. Iris Rodriguez that Honorable Minister Avirtan Furtado has been pressurizing police in the rape case of 7-year-old girl.
The country Monty, the country Putonio. From my information, I can certify that she has no link with Avirtan at all. But I am aware of one fact that जे लोक नाव घेताले ताचे म्हाका इंटरपोलाचे रिप्लाय आयला की the person whom you have requested to be checked, ताजो पासपोर्ट नंबर आमी दिला मॉन्टी म्हणून. हे जे पळय बोवाळ घालताले तो मनीस, ताजो पासपोर्ट नंबर त्या हेड मिस्ट्रेसीचो पुतणयो, ताजे आमी इंटरपोलाक धाडले आनी इंडियन एम्बसीक धाडले. तांचें उत्तर आयलां ह्या पासपोर्टाचो मनीस थंय रावता दुबय, 23 तारखेक आमकां तुमचे आमी दुबयक धाडलें. थंयच्या NCB अबुधाबी तांचो जे ऑफिस आहा तांच्यांनी आपल्याक कळयलां की ह्या मनशान हो देश सोडल्यार ज्या जाग्यार तो आसा थंयच्यान भायर गेल्यार 29/11/2012 रोजी तो लास्ट भायर गेल्लो. म्हणजे he has used his passport on 29/11/2012. The incident has taken place on 14 January 2013. म्हाका दिसता with that this campaign trying to malik someone's name should technically come to end. आणि त्यामुळे तांच्यांनी हातून भितर पॉलिटिसायझेशन जर केलें ना आनी चुकीची दिशा दिवपाक जाता पळय, लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी वॉज वेस्टेड इन गेटिंग ऑल दीस थिंग्स सर्टिफाईड. बट आय थिंक दीस पीपल नीड चेकअप इन IPHB.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.